Hola bafethu kunjani? Nto zabantu on the screen here we come again with another episode of Football Fusion. Naniyazi bafethu angihambi ngedwa, ngihamba no?
Shapa fethu kunjani Kamara Mington Focus Well Mswati Lomnanti Football Fusion Boyile with another one.
Yebo baba. Yebo baba. On today's episode we'll be looking at the Mamelodi Sundowns. They playing against Ilupopo.
Sounds familiar.
Yeah, it sounds familiar. Ilupopo recently played against Orlando Pirates. They eliminated the Orlando Pirates. We kuma knockout stages. Yeah, we'll be looking at that game. Firstly, let's start on experience in Sundowns in this game, because for me, I foresee Sundowns winning this game.
Yo,
That I can just attest. That's my own opinion.
are you not bitter?
No, I'm not bitter.
Okay.
That's my opinion. That's why I'm saying that's my opinion.
Okay. Yeah, but looking at the experience of coming to KF, right?
Yeah.
Hey, they are used to playing these African teams, and they know how to win. And then this game starting at home,
Yeah.
it's gonna be walk in the park for Mamelodi Sundowns. They hardly get eliminated Guma group stages. So starting with this game, you're correct. I see them winning.
Yeah. Yeah. But here we cannot shy away from the fact that Lupopo come with those dodgy antics in this game. We've seen that, in fact.
Hey, but even though they are coming with it, in this game, you're sometimes playing home, right?
Yeah.
So what they usually do when they're playing home, they won't get a chance to do all of that here. I don't think they will.
But they do this thing even during the game. I remember there was a red card that was given to Namta Jela or Pirates.
Yeah.
In the previous game that they played with Kev. What I'm trying to say is he was provoked to actually get that red card.
Okay, now I hear you. So now, because they have this thing of provoking players, they want you to reiterate, and then that's where you lose it. So basically, what we're trying to say is, Mamelodi Sundowns should be careful about that. So they just need to not reiterate when they are being provoked, type of thing.
Yeah.
Bangahluthuki.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah. Because that's where you lose it. I think it just messes up with your mind.
Yeah.
And it's not right.
Because usudlala usune anger,
Yeah.
You're looking at that player, you want to pay back now, and then you get unnecessary cautions. So
and normally, okay, more often than not, my referees as Africa, they don't seem to support, or they don't really judge fairly.
Yeah.
If I may put it that way.
When it comes to South African teams,
Yeah.
Yeah.
Honestly speaking, we are not complaining, but that's the reality of the matter.
Yeah.
We've seen that so many times. Yeah. And they are easily provoked. If you can check, I will make an example with the North African teams. You will see a lot of times they complain. And about referee, they tend to buy into that thing,
Yeah.
And in this game, hopefully, it's not going to be that visible.
No, but the thing is with these referees, Ageti, let's say certain players will complain to say, "I but only mazile nayo. Why me no keep a card? What was a question about card?" So it's making the game hard with our referee. Why when is these people Gubon soft? When it's us, you are hard. Why? Then another card too, those type of things.
True. Honestly speaking, fair play all the time.
Yeah.
Even if a player does something bad to you, you still have to show with discipline and make sure that it's still fair play, because that's the referee's decision to make. Yeah. Moving on, another point to raise maybe is the fact that our teams as a South Africa are well known, like they are well documented, if I may put it that way. I don't think there is a league ebukwa kakhulu Africa than the PSL. Besides that, Mamelodi Sundowns, if we talk about them, as you were saying, that they hardly get eliminated in group stages,
Yeah.
which means that they play around Africa. They are well known. What does that give the advantage to the Limpopo side?
Yeah, it means when they are preparing to come to this game, it's
Yeah.
easy to research Mamelodi Sundowns. It's easy to watch even previous games to plan. But when it comes to Mamelodi Sundowns, they have to plan games
Mm.
that they've seen playing against Pirates, which is one game. The other one they didn't see it.
Yeah, that's
So
true.
it's hard. Even if you can go search for their games in their own league now, it's hard to find. So how do you plan for that game? It's gonna be difficult for Mamelodi Sundowns. So, but I believe with what they've seen against
Orlando
Orlando Pirates,
Pirates.
they can take that and use it to their advantage as well.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Hopefully they learn something.
Yeah,
Yeah.
because it's not a difficult team, that one.
In fact, it's not at all. Wuti, if I were to compare it with one of the teams in the PSL, it would be to like look
Yeah,
down on that
yeah, yeah.
particular team. But honestly speaking,
Sundown will
it's a
win that
small
game.
team. That
Sundown will win that game.
yeah. Um,
What's missing?
Nothing is missing, Chief. I just wanted to ask you whether, what is your score prediction?
I, I don't see them scoring though. The visitors. So
Okay,
I do see Mamelodi Sundowns scoring a 3.
okay,
Yeah, I see Mamelodi Sundowns scoring a 3. Even though Mamelodi Sundowns performance on the PSL it's a bit low. They could be
yeah,
number 1, but they've dropped. They're not the same Mamelodi Sundowns. But going to this game, I see them scoring 3 goals.
okay. I see them scoring 5.
Aye,
That's me.
aye, aye, aye,
I think
aye, aye,
a lot,
aye.
given what we have just explained
Yeah.
right now, it only makes sense that they will rush to score more and more goals because going back that side,
It's gonna be
anyways,
difficult.
it's group stages, so it's much better because you don't have a return leg immediately.
But yes, but
Yeah,
it will be advantage when you have to do calculations and
yeah,
all that.
yes,
So
yes.
it's always
So
good to
five,
score as
five for
much as
me.
you can.
Yeah.
And I know Mamelodi Sundowns is that team that once they start scoring in a game, they keep on scoring. So, but I
Yeah,
do see them
yeah.
scoring a 3.
All right.
Yeah.
Guys, subscribe, like, share the video, and we'll see you on another one.